Fix rips and holes fast with an ultra-strong, peel and stick repair tape that requires no heat or sewing, ideal for use on tents, tarps, jackets, vinyl furniture, and other synthetic materials. Apply Tenacious Tape to almost anything with its aggressive adhesive that bonds permanently to nylon, mesh, vinyl, rubber and plastic. Not recommended for seams, denim, cotton, or natural fabrics. Make a washable repair sealed with this repair tape featuring a waterproof coating that won't peel off over time. Available in 3x20 strip. Use the nylon fabric, black, red, yellow, OD green and coyote, ripstop fabric, sage green and off-white, and clear vinyl for a nearly invisible repair. Packaging may vary. Top reviews from the United States. It's been several months since I made the repair and the tape is holding up great. The edges are still adhered well. I purchased this tape to repair a 3 to 4 foot rip on a nylon bounce house. It's been several months since I made the repair and the tape is holding up great. The edges are still adhered well, too, no curling. I've been very impressed with this product.